Hello friends and welcome back to And Then There Was Style. I hope your new year is off to an amazing start. Don't forget to subscribe to become part of the home decor family. So we have taken a look at so many beautiful rooms in 2022, but I thought it was appropriate to kick off 2023 going back to the basics. Let's take a look and a listen to some Contemporary 101. Now, contemporary living rooms aren't defined by a single style. Instead, contemporary interior is one that is current, updated, and reflects the times that we live in and the ways that we live right now. So, the interesting thing to remember is contemporary itself, as in the contemporary style, is going to be ever changing. It's not set in stone, it's not static, it's going to be continuously changing as the trends change, as the styles change. You don't have to live in a new build or a contemporary style home to decorate your living room or other rooms in your house using the contemporary style. So using contemporary furniture and decor can bring a historic or a mid-century home into the present and make it feel livable and tailored to present-day lifestyles. It can even make a really dated, routine, cookie-cutter type apartment feel a bit more cutting edge. So, according to Havenly Hideaway, contemporary design is often misused, confused, and misunderstood. But make no mistake, while contemporary design features clean, sleek lines, it's not the same as modern design. Now, I will say the two styles have lots in common. Contemporary is a more forward-looking and softer aesthetic than modern design. Bringing in a contemporary vision into your living space can breathe new life into a tired or dated design. Contemporary spaces embrace what feels right now, and that versatility and spontaneity is where all the fun comes in. So if you want to see how to pull it all together and make a contemporary style room your home, then keep on watching. Tip number 1, contemporary style is uncluttered. Contemporary style borders actually on minimalism. If you think of some of the contemporary style rooms that you've seen, you see a lot of elements of minimalism there, focusing on clean lines and high-end contemporary furniture pieces in a space that is free of clutter. Clutter can make a space feel smaller, which of course is the total opposite of one of the key elements of contemporary design, cultivating a sense of openness. Remember, we talked about that open floor plan. If trying to switch your room to more of a contemporary style, really take inventory of the space and look for pieces and opportunities to consolidate or donate pieces that don't quite fit the style that you're aiming to achieve. You know, that boho dream catcher? It might be time to pass it on. Let's talk about some uses of color. Now, neutrals, black and white are the main colors in contemporary style interiors. And actually now you can go ahead and add in gray in that as well. The palette is often just really amped up and accented with bright and bold colors that can play against the neutrals, kind of balancing them out. With walls painted in a basic neutral color, you have an excellent backdrop for bold colored accessories, and of course, vice versa. If the walls and windows are painted in pastels, the trim should be neutral. Now, if a wall is just super bright and a bold color, which can be seen in contemporary home design at some point, neutrals should be used everywhere else. Line and space. Now, the most obvious and distinctive element of a contemporary style interior design is the line. Now, whether straight vertical or horizontal lines or curved shapes, Strong, visible lines are very evident in any contemporary style home. Think about some of the contemporary rooms that you have been in or seen. Usually, they will have a very strong vertical line. The line can also be found in architectural details, use of bold color blocks, high ceilings, bare windows, and geometric shapes in wall art and sculpture. The bare space on walls between pieces of furniture and above upper areas becomes as important as the areas filled in with objects. In contemporary interiors, less is definitely more. Each piece stands out as individual, unique, and well thought out. Also, take advantage of structural elements. Air ducts may hang from a ceiling, broken bricks provide texture and stability, and exposed plumbing pipes are perfectly acceptable in a contemporary style interior. As a matter of fact, most people want them. To draw the eye, paint these structural details in bold, contrasting colors, or to diminish their importance, blend them in with the walls. So last but not least, let's talk about furniture. Now, furniture pieces should make a very bold, in-your-face statement, but at the same time be simple and uncluttered, without curves or decoration. Smooth, clean, geometric shapes are essential. Upholstered furniture often wears black, white, or other neutral tones, including gray, using the natural fibers found in wool, cotton, linen, silk, and others just to add textural appeal. Pillows in clean geometric shapes add a shot of color and texture and just really a dose of play. Use a basic background and just really shout out with your favorite color on a furniture piece that stands out. Remember, less is most certainly more. Sofas and chairs and ottomans often have exposed legs in this style. Beds and chairs usually will not have skirts, trims, fringes, or tassels. This is not a feminine, Parisian, or shabby chic look. Don't use ruffles, excessive carved details, fringe, or floral prints. As a matter of fact, you may want to abolish cute and small altogether. Go basic, go bare, go bold, go big, and go structural. Okay friends, so that was today's video. Don't forget to like, share it with other home decor lovers, and of course subscribe to the channel. This has been another And Then There Was Style video, but if you want to see more, check out one of these two right here. I will see you in the next video. Bye friends.